Greg might need the net. Is he out toward the middle?
No, he's on the rocks. Ready, girl? Nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pretty good one.
You can keep that one.
Yep. We're working on them. That net for him, Mama. No, he ate it. Nice, nice, nice.
Thank you.
Sounds like somebody hammering on something. Need a surgeon? Were you reeling it fast or slow?
Medium. Smallest one of the day.
Still a good one. Still 13 inches. Nice one.
Thank you, wifey. That's a
Nice,
good one.
nice, 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 nice. Don't let him back in the lake, man.
Cinema.
Let's see it. Nice one.
Where am I supposed to be?
He's under the motor. He's coming this way. Oh, he's on Dad's rod. Okay. Nice one. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, just fat. Good work, Mama. Was it over on this side, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We got pliers.
Mm-hmm. Girl putting it on us. Yeah, I think they're out in this deeper water today for some reason. He's full of himself. Might be a hybrid. I will. Might be a hybrid. That's all I miss. I think they're just big females.
Big enough?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, they're out here in deeper water. They were just turning on right before. I think more of these are females though. Just need a fish scout like Son to get them. I felt that bait changed right before that fish ate it. I think there was like a... I think he came up behind it and disrupted the blade or something, or like it changed. He's coming up right here, Mama. Watch your net, watch your net. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Oh, hold on. Okay, he's right here.
You know what we haven't done is doubled yet.
That's a good one.
Double means two at once.
Two at once.
Need pliers?
Don't think so. I mean, maybe, but yeah, maybe I do.
Karen, pass these up to Greg.
Thank you. That's a good one.
Look out, Mom.
Yep. Sorry.
You're good. Yep. Nice one.
Yep.
There, I just caught more doubled up. Just hooked up.
Where them plows?
Up here. Putting her to work. I got one on here. This one is full of itself.
Here, he can have them.
Come on up right here, Mama.
Where is it? Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
We're doing all right.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're pushing 15.
Yeah, that's a good one. Big old fatty. Whew. Hook fell out.
Oh, that's good. We need to put the pump on.
Did I turn it off?
I think so.
There's one that says aerator manual, Mom. And push it up. Turn red. There was your double.
Yeah. Now we need a triple.
We need our fisherwoman to put the net down and hook up. This boat might beat us to that good light. Maybe they're still bass fishing or something. Girl's smacking us. Might be a hybrid, Mama. It's a white bass. Nice one. Nice.
You want to hold it?
Nope, there's one.
No.
Got one. Pass me the net. Or
Bring
maybe
it over here.
I'll just bring him to you. Oh, Mama. Watch your rod.
There.
You're good. Thanks, mate. Good work, Mama.
I didn't do anything.
You caught one.
Oh, yes, I did.
Maybe there's more of them out here in this channel.
Deeper part.
Yeah. I can do it, Mama. Keep fishing. That's another solid one. I think these are females.
That's real good, actually.
A bunch of floaters back here.
No, that's fine. You got one, Mom? Woo! Fight him, girl. Good one. Oh, that's, God, that thing's huge, Mom. Big old fat white bass. You mean to do the hook? And pliers are right here.
Yes, you do it.
Nice one.
Yep.
Good job, Mama. That one tagged it. Didn't feel very big. Oh, maybe he changed his mind. Oh, that was a big one.
Yeah.
Guess she didn't know she was hooked. I think most of these are females.